Welcome to a quick geometry nodes tutorial. In this video I will show you how to change the material of instances in Blender. To demonstrate the approach, I quickly create a cube field with a grid and instanced cubes and make some waves with a noise texture. I connect a set material node at the end to give the instances an assigned material which we can define now in the shader editor. So I first create two materials which I want to use for the instanced cubes. Connect them to a mix shader node. Then you need a black and white color map to define where which material should be used for a cube. You can use anything. For example, if you want to use typography, a white text on a black background will do fine. Or just a noise texture generated by Blender, which is just a black and white pattern. I will proceed with the noise texture. Then I connect a color ramp on constant after the noise texture to control the noise borders. In front of the noise texture I add a mapping node, as always. And in front of the mapping node we don't use a texture coordinate as always, but an object info node. Because then we can access the location of the object, in this case every little cube's locations. So now we have a value where every cube is different and we have a selection based on the location. But if you look closely, you can see that some of the cubes are flashing between the two materials. That's because their Z value changes with the waves, which results in changing their material. We can fix this by changing the dimension of the noise texture from 3D to 2D. Then the Z value has no effect, and the height won't affect the material selection. That's it, we are finished. Have fun instancing and see you soon.